Today we are upgrading last year's party shoes with crystals so no one can tell they're old. I've already done one, and now we're using Preciosa's Mesmera non-hot fix flatback crystals to upgrade the other one as well. We're doing the outside side of the shoe, and we're doing a scatter embellishment style with my wax picker pencil and Gem tacky glue in the 10ml glue applicator bottle. Now the cool thing about Mesmera crystals from Preciosa is they have special technology inside them, which means that under synthetic light, so like light bulbs, they're going to look green, but under sunlight, natural wavelengths, they're going to look purple. So you have a day look and a night look. And this embellishment style I'm doing here is deliberately random in nature, and I am using 3 crystal sizes: SS20, SS16 and SS10. You could also go smaller if you wanted to, and this is deliberately random in nature. The more you try to control this pattern, the less like a scatter it's going to look. Now all of these crystals and tools can be found at bluestreakcrystals.com. Have fun!